So I have the Nintendo Switch, and I'll be showing you how to switch users on this console. Now, from the home page, you don't necessarily need to switch any users, because anytime you want to do something, whether it's launch a game or go to the eShop, Nintendo will always ask which user you want to go there with. So for instance, let's try and go to the eShop. You can see it asks for a user. When you try to play a game, let's try and launch this game, for instance. It's going to ask the user. So let's say you had already started the game with that user account, and then you decide that you want to now play this game using the other user account. What you need to do is simply go back home, and as you can see, since the game is already playing, you want to tap close software. That's going to close the game, and then now you can relaunch the game, and this time switch to a different user account, and then it's going to load with that particular user account. Now obviously my second user account is not linked to Nintendo, so it won't start, but that's basically how to do that. Thanks for watching, and good luck.